Shut a mug up. Shoot him right in the mouth.
I knocked the tooth out.
Knock your teeth
All
out
that
your
shooting,
mouth.
and I knocked one tooth out.
Hey, what's up, my 2A fam? It's your girl, Who That Babe, back here again with another video. Guys, I ordered me a light for my Walter PDP. It is clear. And they put it in this nice little cute little donut package. Make you want a donut, don't it? So I'm going to open it up and we're going to take a look at it. It was a referral. Someone told me to get it. And said it was one of the best lights out there. So you can check it out. Okay. So that came in. A battery charger. And this is the light right here. And it says, don't start no shit, won't be no shit. Sticker. And we got two more. The president or temporary. Wu-Tang is forever. Goon Bean. That's the name of the light. Take it out. Take a look at it. These are the two batteries. And these are the tools. Okay. Did you put the light in? Let me see. Battery says right here. So you don't take this part off like a regular flashlight. So, I don't see the instructions. See what's all of this. Screws. Let's see what the instructions at. Oh, it's not any instructions. Okay. So, oh, is that how it goes? It comes out, slide out. Let's see. Oh. I had to charge up these batteries of the Goon Bean. But yeah, this is my light. It's a short V2. It was made in 2022. So let's get with it. So I've charged the batteries and I had kind of a difficulty trying to figure out how to take this loose. Push that down like that. You want me to do it again? Okay, I'm gonna do it again and let you guys see because I looked for some videos on this and everything. And I couldn't find it. Well, see, it ain't all the way down either. You gotta make sure you put pressure on it. But anyway, this little tab right here, you pull it back and it pops open and this is where the batteries are hitting. Well, actually, they're not gonna be in here, but I had to charge them in order to, you know, do this part of the video so you see what the light look like. They have on the side batteries, which battery go what way. You have one that go down like that, and you have one that goes up. Then you close this little baby down like, I mean, you really got to hold this down. You got to really hold this down because of these things right here. They're really strong. And you got to push down on the batteries to close it really, really good. Let's see. Try this way. And it could be me because I'm not that strong. Okay, let's see. Try this again. Okay. I'm trying to see. Got that part down. This part down. And I'm going to try to do it this way. That's what I did last time. See? I got it. Woo! Lordy be. But anyway, this is the little screw to attach it to your weapon. And these two little things back here is for the light. You turn it this way to keep the light on. And You turn it this way just to give it a like boop, boop, boop. When you want to blind the suspect, you just hit this button right here. Boom, and shoot. Pow! Shoot, pow! But yeah, I'm just joking out. But anyway, I'm going to put it on. My baby got new shoes, honey. Okay, here we go. Hold it. Make sure it's on over here. Push back. Okay. And snug. So I'm turning it right now, but you're going to get to the point where you're going to need something to turn it. You're going to need a Phillip, but this thing is kind of big. So you would need flathead screwdriver. You're going to need a big flathead screwdriver. So I found these. And I put them over these two little notches right here. And that's how I tighten it. Turn it this way so I can have a better, because I'm a lefty. Looks like it's easy to turn, don't it? But it's not. Oh, yeah, that's working right now. How long? Okay, that's getting tight. Tight! Ow! That kind of hurt. Okay. Yes. Get this out the way. Right there. So that's as tight as it can get. Let me see. All right, might be tight just a little bit more. Let's see if that works. Oh yeah, that's better. Don't move at all. So, hold it right here. My fingers are not that long, but I can make it work, And then this side, you just click it on. I'm gonna turn off the lights and let you see it, how bright it is on the wall. But yeah, this is my new Goon Beam light. I want to give a shout out to OG $2 for putting me on this light. Thank you, bruh. Appreciate you. And he helped me out. He sent me the information and everything. Good looking out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on the video, and positive comments only. Until next time, peace. Dark in here, here's the light. I think I like it.